We're customizing Crocs today. Meet Zoe and Rosita from Sesame Street. Want to see how it's done? We've got the classic Mega Crush Clog ready. Organize the tufting techniques. Tape the shoe pattern with masking tape. Check the areas for the design. Place Rosita's face image on the taped areas. Draw the design and double-check the techniques. Remove the design. This is Andette's DURATUFT Yarn on Amazon. This is Andette's Yarn Glide on Amazon. This is Andette's Tangle Tamer on Amazon. Use the Hoffman air gun for long hair effects. Carve before adding the jaw section. Start the air gun. Next is the cut gun. Switch yarn to create the mouth. We will work on the nose separately. The eyelids will also be created separately using the air gun. Switch to the ZQ3 gun. Use the ZQ3 to create the hairline. This is the Easy Tuft gun on Amazon. Combine ribbon and DURATUFT yarn with the Easy Tuft gun for long hair. Easy Tuft gun allows for such a diverse range of expressions. Spray with glue. Wait a moment. Then attach the mesh. Apply latex thoroughly. Don't forget the nose and eyelids. Once the backing fabric is on, gluing is complete. Now for the finishing touches. Use ribbon strings to mimic real hair texture. Carve the hairline before removing from the frame. Once removed, carve more carefully. Neatly carve the nose. Attach the eyelids directly without carving. Use a glue gun for the eyes and stitch the nose. Outline the fabric shape for the back. Check Jibbitz placement and mark it. Make a loop with a string to secure it on the shoes. Attach the prepared backing fabric. Fix Jibbitz accessories onto magnets. Attach the magnetic Jibbitz to the Crocs. Tie extra thread to the Crocs. Voila! Rosita Crocs is complete.
Andette.